Ibamba likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSolwazi uFiroz Khachalia lithi bazojuba zonke izinhlaka zokuphepha ukubhekana nokuphambene nomthetho okungase kuqubuke emphakathini ngosuku lwangomhla ka-30 kuNhlangulana.
To all South Africans, I want to assure you that the government is indeed prepared. Our law enforcement agencies are coordinated, our operational plans are in place with the necessary resources, and we will continue to monitor the situation as it unfolds on a daily basis.
Lokhu kuzodla umbuso imali engaphezulu kweyigidi engamakhulu ayisithupha.
I can tell you that it's going to cost the South African Police Service over 600 million. That's what it costs when there are efforts to destabilize the country. Additional funds. We're making those resources. So this is a special operation because such threats have been made on social media and so forth.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuvikela uNG Mthekga uthi amasosha awajutshiwe kodwa ke uma isimo siphuma esandleni ayongenelela.
Called upon by the police to support, we will, but basically ours is really around key points and not part of public policy. So I'm really here just to get the latest. But I'm also here in my capacity as part of the JCPS.
Obambe njengomkhuzi wamaphoyisa uthi uphiko lwabo lwezomhloli luyaqhubeka nokubukeza lesi simo nongase ke kwenzeke ngalolu suku kanti ke bayaqonda ukuthi abayobe bebhikisha banelungelo lokwenza lokho.
The South African Police Service fully recognizes and respects the constitutional rights of every person to assemble, demonstrate and express themselves peacefully. Our expectations is that those participating in these marches or demonstrations will do so.
uKhachalia uyichithile imbiko ethi kunamabhasi asuke KwaZulu-Natal ethwele abantu bokufika baseMalawi afike abachitha eGoli.
I think much of that story was not true, and the police were deployed at that particular spot throughout the day yesterday to ensure that the humanitarian needs were met, but there was also law and order.
Ibamba likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa lithi lihlanganile nokhomishana bamaphoyisa ezifundazweni manje ke lizohlangana nondunankulu bezifundazwe zonke ukuhlelela ukubhekana nosuku lwangomhla ka-30 kwephezulu.